Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna check out how to send cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. So you got somebody you want to send a bit of Bitcoin to, or a bit of Ethereum. This video is for you to learn how to do that. Alright, so let's get right into it. The first method is to use the Coinbase app, and the first thing you want to do is to open up the Coinbase app and log into your account, and then tap the three horizontal lines or the gear icon. Then you tap portfolio, then tap the cryptocurrency that you want to send. So whichever one you got, you can just tap that, and then you tap send. And of course, the next thing you need to do is to enter the recipient's cryptocurrency address, or you can scan their QR codes to get it. And you got to make sure you review the transaction to make sure you're not oversending or undersending the amounts. And then after that is done, once you've confirmed all that, you can tap send to complete the transaction, and just like that, it's done. Now the second method is using the Coinbase website to send cryptocurrencies. Now the first thing you need to do for that is, of course, to log into your Coinbase account on the Coinbase website, and then click on portfolio in the top navigation bar. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send, click send. Then you got to enter the recipient's cryptocurrency address or scan their QR code, same as before. Then enter the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details again, make sure everything is in place, then click send to complete the transaction. So once that is done, the cryptocurrency is sent. So that's pretty much it. Now you got a couple of sending options. So you can send to cryptocurrency address, you can send to Coinbase user, or you can do scanning QR codes to get where you're sending it to. These are one of the three options that you could use. But whichever one it is you use, the cryptocurrency will be sent, and you don't got to worry about anything. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful. I hope you learned a thing or two, and if you did, don't forget to like the video and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it, and share the video with your friends. Anyone else who needs the video, let them get it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.